Go back! I want to be
Flintstone's car.
Pikmin's network has to cease broadcasting cause of an emergency alert. Somehow, we don't notice that the brand has been purchased by Cartoon Network for $1 million. The brand will keep itself with Cartoon Network's permission. Even though it seemed odd, why did Cartoon Network purchase the brand? It's because Pikmin's network has very little money, causing Japan Pikmin Network and Pikmin don't do this, but they will cease operations instead. Tell me, why did Cartoon Network purchase the brand? Well, Pikmin's network still have shows. These shows for the following shows: Pikmin Memes, and Pikmin Speedrun. Even though it is happening, Cartoon Network still doesn't care about Pikmin's network. This channel is still alive. See you at 7 p.m.